Well, Capps' former aide, Raymond Morua, the man who drove drunk and killed Mallory Dye's last December, was sentenced today. He took a plea deal of 20 years to life, but not before leveling some harsh accusations against his former boss, Congresswoman Lois Capps. News Channel 3 reporter Joe Buttitta was the only TV reporter in court this morning and has the emotional sentencing.
I want to apologize to both of you, to your family, and most of all to Mallory.
Inside a packed courtroom, Raymond Morua learned his fate. He will be behind bars for the next 20 years to life for vehicular manslaughter and fleeing the scene after hitting and killing Mallory Ray Dye.
It's a horrible day for everybody that was in there. Of course, for my family and all of Mallory's friends and the people that love her here in Santa Barbara. It's reliving that horror.
For the first time in nearly 6 months, we're hearing from the man himself, Raymond Morua, as he apologizes to the Dye's family inside of court. We're also hearing from his family.
He's a dedicated man. He's loyal, he's ambitious, he's hardworking, and he just made a bad mistake.
His sister Monique and brother-in-law Juan spoke for the first time, talking about the man Morua is and his struggles to cope with his PTSD after returning from Iraq.
People don't go into harm's way and come back the same.
In court, Morua and his attorney blasted Morua's former employer, Congresswoman Lois Capps. They say he was on the job that December night, and Capps should be helping the Dye's family.
I'm disappointed in their slanderous attempts to assassinate my character and to deny the facts that I was on the job the night of the accident.
Lois Capps has not only not taken responsibility, but clearly she has placed her family and her interests first.
It was an emotional day for Mallory's family and friends as well, reflecting on the woman they lost and the pain they're now forced to live with.
As I ran towards Mal, I was sure she was already gone.
It's really difficult because there's his family and then there's our side, and I didn't know if I wanted to relive that moment, but since it was an impact statement, I thought that's the most impactful thing I could bring.
We have to do better fighting drinking and driving, and we have to do better taking care of our young men and women that serve this country.
Raymond Morua will be eligible for parole after 10 years, but it will be up to a parole board if he gets out after that. In Santa Barbara, Joe Buttitta, News Channel 3.